This morning in Ohio, Cleveland police are searching for an EMT worker and mother of two who's missing and believed to be in danger. Lachelle Jordan was set to appear in court on Monday as a witness in a rape case. The man accused in the rape case had been reportedly stalking Jordan. Reporter Sarah Buttison with our Scripps affiliate WEWS in Cleveland has been following this story for months and was in contact with Lachelle Jordan during the period of time when she reported the defendant in the rape case was showing up at emergency scenes when Jordan was working.
Just 2 days before she was supposed to be here
on joint motion
at a hearing in Michael Stennett's rape case, Cleveland EMT Lachelle Jordan disappeared.
What's it like for this to happen to one of your own?
It's a little bit frustrating, honestly.
Mark Barrett is the president of Cleveland's EMS union.
We couldn't protect her when our job is taking care and protecting the public.
Mark says the department tried to help. He says Lachelle was taken off the streets about 3 weeks ago because Michael Stennett and people involved with him kept showing up at scenes.
And I think it just got to the point where the city, knew that they needed to get her out of the field.
This arrest warrant says Lachelle noticed multiple times Stennett was following her in his personal vehicle while she was working and would also wait outside her home. It also says Stennett went to her house and refused to leave back in January and more recently on May 4th, just 2 days before she went missing. But Stennett wasn't arrested for stalking until she disappeared.
What does that tell you?
That the system failed her, I would say. She did everything right, and here we are.
We also talked to Michael Stennett's landlord today. He did not want to be on camera, but told us Stennett has lived in the apartment above his store on Larchmere Boulevard for more than 35 years. The landlord says Stennett always paid his rent and never caused any problems. So he says he was surprised when Cleveland police showed up yesterday with a search warrant. We first told you about Michael Stennett in January. We found he was still working with children at Zelma Watson George Rec Center on the city's east side, even after being charged with 2 counts of rape. Stennett was placed on leave after the report aired.
That was Sarah Buttison with our Cleveland affiliate WEWS reporting. And this is a story that Sarah has been on for several months and has been in close contact with Lachelle Jordan. And even as recently as Saturday, the morning of Saturday, this past Saturday when she had gone, missing, she had sent a text message to Sarah Buttison saying that someone had put a bullet through her windshield. So this is a woman who clearly knew that she was in danger, and she is telling police about this guy that was bothering her, was showing up at the EMS scenes. My question is, why wasn't his bond revoked? If he's out on a bond awaiting a rape charge, and I know it's an allegation, but still, it's a very serious allegation in our criminal court system, and then he's allegedly committing crimes, multiple crimes. Stalking is a crime. While you're out on bond, that bond should be taken away and revoked by the court, but it wasn't. So that is something to pay attention to. Lachelle Jordan is her name, that missing mother of 2 in Cleveland, and I think there's going to be a lot more talk on this story, and we're going to stay in close contact with our affiliate reporting team on this one and share with you any developments we hear about it.